So let's take a look at how you can disable Gutenberg editor and install Classic editor in your WordPress. So when you go to dashboard and then choose post or page and go for add new, you will notice that your page has now Gutenberg editor by default. And if you have not installed Classic editor, there is no way to get rid of this new editor. Okay. So what you can do now is simply open your dashboard, then go to plugins, click on add new. Now in plugins, we're going to install this Classic editor. Make sure that it is from WordPress contributors. Okay, so this part is important. In add plugins, you'll find this search dialog box. Type in Classic editor. It should show you by refreshing it. Okay, here you see Classic editor from WordPress contributors. Click on install now. Okay, it may take some time to install, and once installed you can activate it and access the settings from settings options. Okay, so click on activate. So let's wait for that. Now that Classic editor is activated, go to your posts, click on all posts, and here you can find the option for editing here with quick edit, which goes to our Gutenberg right now. Okay, here, and quick edit is just that you get here for options. So go to settings, then writing. Okay, here you can see you have default editor, Classic, and block editor, which is Gutenberg editor. Simply click on Classic editor and save. Okay, now we can go to post, add new, and here you find new Classic editor. Okay, you get the idea now to how to switch from Gutenberg to Classic editor. Now if you want to revert back to Gutenberg, simply click on install plugins, then deactivate. Okay, now move to your post, add new post. And it should take you to block editor, also known as Gutenberg editor, which loads by default. Okay, so you get the idea how to disable Gutenberg editor and use Classic editor. Okay, once you disable the Classic editor plugin, you can get your Gutenberg editor back without having to change that in settings. Okay, so here in settings, you don't get those options anymore. Okay, so you get the idea how to make settings for Classic editor so that you can use Classic editor and your page and post instead of Gutenberg block editor.